Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Cooks. In today's episode, you will be seeing mixed fruit jam. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. Mixed fruit. Today we are using papaya, ripe mango, banana, apple and a guava. Sugar, citric acid, mixed fruit essence, raspberry red color. The fruits you use are of your choice. Ideally, papaya and apple are rich in pectin, so it's better to use these fruits. If you could get seedless black grapes, they give a natural color. That also looks good when we use it in the jam. Pineapple, ensure that you don't use the outer portion because that tends to give an itchiness. So use only the central portion. Let's puree the fruits, and you have to weigh the fruits. For every 1 kg of fruit pulp, you need a kg of sugar and a tablespoon of citric acid. So we have here the fruit puree. The fruits that have gone into it are a banana, some papaya, a guava and a ripe mango. For half a kg of the pulp, we'll be using half a kg of sugar. So let's get started. The pan's already on fire. I'm adding the sugar now. You'll have to keep stirring it. It's better to use a long handle ladle because after some time it will be spluttering quite a bit. I just want you to make a note of the consistency because it is in a very liquid state. When you put off the stove is very important, otherwise your jam could go very thick. It's beginning to thicken, bubbling nicely, getting a little transparent. I'll show you now. It should fall like a nice V, not in strings like this, but in a V. Then it's ready to bring it off the gas. Once this is ready, we'll add a spoon and a half of citric acid, mixed fruit essence. If you're unable to get mixed fruit essence, you could add any fruit essence, pineapple or grape, definitely not a rose or a vanilla. A few drops of food color also is advised because it gives the nice jam color that we get at the market. It's almost done, maybe another 2 to 3 minutes. This is the V I was talking about. It's done, so it's nice and glossy now. Let's add the citric acid. The citric acid helps in the sugar to retain this consistency and not crystallize. We are adding a few drops of the color and mixed fruit essence. Our mixed fruit jam is ready. Now we'll go to the storage. Ensure that the bottles, the glass bottles that you will be using to store it are sterilized. Place the bottle on a wooden plank or an asbestos sheet. Then you can pour piping hot jam into it. The bottle will not break. It can be stored. Nothing will go wrong. I'm sure you enjoyed viewing the jam making today. We've used nice fresh fruits, very healthy to give even to smaller children. No preservatives too. So do try it and give your feedback. Waiting for it. Please do click on meenman.com to get the recipe. Thank you.